Hey, Danius here. How are you doing, guys? I have been working on video with captions as a pop-up text, and after I have exported it, I realized that captions or subtitles weren't exported. This video is a quick tutorial on how to fix captions isn't exporting in video problem. Simply click video sequence to export. As you can see here, my timeline marker is at the captions, though in export window I can't see captions. In export window, let's go to captions tab, and in line called export captions, instead of known, change it to burn captions to the video. Simple as that. This is how you can fix this problem. Hope it will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and as always, see you in the next video.